Welcome back, students. This is the session 2 of JEE Physics Part 1. The topic is error in measurement, and for this session I have taken this question which is written on this board. So here the question here is two measured quantities are given by A is equal to 1.0 meter plus minus 0.2 meter and B is equal to 2.0 meter plus minus 0.1 meter. So we have to find the correct reported value for under root AB. We have got four options and we have to find the correct one. So in this question, in order to solve this question, we will be utilizing two concepts, or you can say rule. The first rule is the rule for calculating the significant figures or digits in the final answer. So in this rule, the final answer, or you can say according to this rule, the final answer should retain as many significant digits or figures as there are in the number which has got the least significant figures. So that is, if for example let us say x is equal to for example let us say that there is this physical quantity which is equal to 1.41 into 1.3. So here this quantity has got 3 significant digits, this quantity has got 2 significant digits. So this final answer will contain only 2 significant digits. That is, as per the definition, the final answer should retain as many significant figures or the digits as there are in the number containing the least significant digits. So this number this number has got 2 significant digits and this number has got 3. So in the final answer we will be this final answer will be having only 2 significant digits as per this rule. Second thing, under the heading of the combination of errors, we have studied that if there is a physical quantity, let's say x is equal to a plus b, then delta x, now delta is x is the absolute error in the measurement of this final value, and this is equal to plus minus delta a plus delta b, where delta a and delta b are the absolute errors in the measurement of a and b respectively. Similarly, if x is equal to a into b, then delta x upon x is equal to plus minus delta a upon a plus delta b upon b. This is the second formula which we have studied under the heading of combination of errors. And the third one was, if x is equal to, let us say, a to the power p and b to the power q, then delta x upon x will be equal to plus minus p delta a upon a plus q delta b upon b. Okay. So here we will be utilizing this formula for solving this question, that is this last one. If x is equal to a to the power p and b to the power q, then delta x upon x will be equal to plus minus p delta a upon a plus q delta b upon b. And the second rule which we will be using for solving this question is, that is the number of significant figures in the final answer, or you can say the final answer should retain that many significant figures as there are in the number containing the least significant figures. So So here let's start solving this question. So let us say that x is equal to under root AB. So we can write this x is equal to under root. Now this 1.0 meter is the true value of A and 2.0 meter is the true value of B. So A into B will be equal to this will be equal to, and so x will be equal to, if you just find the value of this under root 2, this will be equal to 1.414. But as per the rule for counting the significant figure in the final answer should retain as many significant figures or the digits as there are in the number containing the least number of significant digits or figure. So in this case, both these two quantities, that is A and B, they have got two significant digits. This 1.0, this has got two significant digits, and in this B, this also contains two significant digits. So the final answer will contain only two significant digits. So x will be equal to 1.4. Okay. Now x is equal to under root AB. So since x is equal to under root AB, so this can be written as a b to the power 1 by 2, and so x is equal to a 1 by 2 into b 1 by 2. So as per the formula under the heading of combination of errors, and we have just discussed all those formulas here right now. So I will be using the formula, that is, if x is equal to a to the power p and b to the power q, then delta x upon x is equal to plus minus p delta a upon a plus q delta b upon b. So this is the formula which I will be using in order to solve this question. So using this formula, I will be getting delta x upon x is equal to plus minus 1 by 2 delta a upon a plus 1 by 2 delta b upon b. So now I have already calculated the value of x here, so I will be now just writing this x as 1.4 and meter, and this is x is equal to 1.4 meter. This is in meters. So this is in meters. So I have written this value on the top of this board, and now I will be rubbing it. So delta x upon x, this is equal to plus minus 1 by 2. Now delta A is what? This is the absolute error in the measurement of A, which is equal to 0.2. So this is equal to 0.2 divided by A. A is the true value, so this is equal to 1.0 plus 1 by 2 into A. B. The absolute error in the measurement of B is 0.1, so this is equal to 0.1 divided by the true value, which is equal to 2.0. So delta x will be equal to plus minus, now here this is equal to 0.2 divided by 2.0 plus 0.1 divided by 4. So now I will be using this calculator here. So this delta x will be equal to plus minus, this will be equal to delta into x. You can say into x, and the value of x was equal to 1.4. Okay, so now here I will be getting the values as this is equal to 0.1 plus this is equal to 0.025 into 1.4. Okay. And now here, see, delta x is the absolute error in the measurement of the final, this final value, that is under root AB. Now here the absolute error in the measurement of A and B have got only one significant digit. Okay, so the delta x should also have only one significant digit in the final answer. So this is equal to this is equal to 0.125 into 1.4, and this is equal to 0.175 plus minus 0.175 meter. Now, since the number of significant digits in the absolute error of A and B is 1, therefore, we have to find the absolute error in the measurement of under root AB in one significant digit. So, this will be equal to delta x will be equal to plus minus now. This will be equal to 0.2 meters. Okay. So we have found the value of delta x also, and we have found the value of x also. So the correct reported value for under root AB will be, that is under root AB, the correct reported value for under root AB will be equal to, that is equal to x plus minus delta x, and this is equal to 1.4 meters plus minus 0.2 meters. So the correct answer will be 0.2, this one, that is this option D. The correct answer is option D, that is 1.4 meter plus minus 0.2 meters. So in this question we have utilized the rule for calculating the significant figures in the final answer, and we have used the formula which we have studied under the heading of combination of errors. So by using these two concepts, we were able to find the correct reported value for under root AB. The correct option is D. Okay, so in the next session, I will be coming up with another question which will be based on the dimensional analysis. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.